Hey guys, I'm back on here with another collab, and today I'm collabing with DIVASIS Hair, and this is the wig. Okay, she is popping. I threw some curls in her. She did come pre-curled, however I had to bleach the knots, so I had to re-curl her, slay her, pluck it a little bit. It really didn't need no plucking, but I plucked her, and she is laid. Okay, I'm just going ahead, taking some alcohol and getting whatever makeup, whatever kind of oils around my hairline so that my wig can stay in place, okay? Because when you have a little bit of grease or a little bit of oils, you know, the wig kind of lift a little bit. And I was just adjusting the wig to make sure I got a forehead, okay? Because sometimes back in the past, I used to take away my forehead. And I'm just taking some Gotta Be Glued hair gel, going around my hairline, nothing too crazy. I'm not using no crazy glue. And then I'm just taking some Gotta Be Glued Gorilla Glue It Don't Move hairspray around my hairline. And you see I'm bougie with it. I use a fan now. Okay, I ain't got time for a hot blow dryer. I'm gonna use a fan. Ain't got time for that. So I'm just adjusting it, making sure it's all intact, and I'm just taking the scissors and going ahead and cutting that lace around my ear. And then I like to take the end of my comb and just press that in. Now I could do the option of baby hair or no baby hair. I'm kind of loving the no baby hair look. And I almost forgot to show y'all the goodies. Okay, so with every wig, you're gonna get some goodies, okay? And this is probably my favorite part because I can never get enough brushes or scarves to lay my wig. And tweezers, come on now, you always need a pair of tweezers. And then they gave me this really cute bobby pin, and then just two plain bobby pins. So I'm just gonna take the scarf that they gave me to lay these edges down, okay? Because we want this baby laying flat. We want this wig melted to the mug. We want a melt, okay? We don't want no subtle melt. We want a melt. And I'll be right back once the glue is dry.
A few moments later.
And your girl is back, ready to attack, okay? Oh, it's looking melted. She's looking good. She's looking dry. I like to cut my lace in about 4 to 5 different pieces just so that I can isolate each section so that I can make sure I am cutting properly. It is a skill, okay? Because you're not cutting straight across. You're cutting in a zigzag motion. And when you cut in a zigzag motion, it gives you a more natural look. I normally go ahead and use my eyebrow razor to do this, but hey, today we're going to use the scissors, and it works just as good if you're doing it properly. So really take your time with this. Don't cut it straight across, because when you do that, it doesn't make it look natural. Take your time, you know, cut it, blast you some music, and make it happen, Captain. So this is what it's looking like. Don't be scared, okay? 1 second. I'm gonna just take a little bit of alcohol and clean up any residue around my hairline. And then you go back in with your scissors if need be and remove more. You take some of your Gotta Be Glued hairspray. It don't move. And this is pretty much gonna melt that lace, okay? Anything that's sticking out is gonna melt it. And bougie girl again with my fan. Told you I ain't got time for that. Go to the dollar store, pick you up one of these. It really comes in handy. I decided I'm gonna go ahead and do just a little bit of baby hairs. Nothing too crazy, because I actually love the no baby hair look. It's looking super natural. It's looking melted to the gods. Melted gods. And yeah, and I like to take mousse. I don't like to take gel to go ahead and lay my baby hairs, because it just gives it a much softer look. I'm going for a soft look. I don't want that harsh, it don't move type look. I keep saying it don't move, but I love that lady. And yeah, so Also, I saw a little bit more gel. I'm just cleaning that up, and I'm just taking a little bit of makeup to really melt this lace, okay? Just a little bit. That's my complexion. And bam, you guys, this is the final look. Really soft, really pretty, really airy. Laces laid to the gods. Like, come on, Colab. This is the final look. I absolutely love this wig from DIVASIS Hair. It is super freaking natural, okay? And if you made it this far in my video, then I got something for you, sis. I'm a diva, you a diva, you my sis. I got something for you. Make sure you use this code right here to get money off of your purchase. This is only for the people who continue to watch the video and watch the slayage. But I am absolutely, I'm in love. It's giving Tyra Banks. It's giving housewife. It's giving, let me get your card so I can go shopping. It was not hard to manage at all. The knots bleached beautifully. The knots did not come bleached wig, so it actually did come pre-curled, but being that I had to bleach the knots and then I had to rewash the unit and recurl it, I tried to get it to look as similar to the picture as possible. And I'm in love. This is definitely a vibe. This is my fall hair. I know y'all see it. I got whole new eyes. I know you see it. Stay tuned for the video where I'll be talking about my contacts. I absolutely love these contacts. I think it complements my hair very well. Back to the hair, it curls very easily. I did not experience shedding. Let me just turn around and show you guys how long the back is. Also, if you're interested in being a DIVASIS ambassador, make sure you contact them. Contact them with this information right here. Hit them up. Have so many different perks. They also send you a brochure where you can get 120 cash back rewards just for participating with them. So, for example, if you use Facebook, they'll give you $20 for 20 likes, $50 for 50 likes, $120 for 150 likes, so on and so forth. So you can kind of see how they handle things and how you can get some shmonies in your pocket. So contact them, sis. What are you waiting for? Become an ambassador, because this is definitely some bomb hair. It's really nice and fluffy. It's airy. I absolutely love this hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button for me. Show me some love. Comment down below what videos do you guys want to see next, and I also have a huge giveaway coming. Comment down below which y'all want to win. Which y'all want to win? Do y'all want to win a phone, some phone cases, some hair, some shmoney? Like, come on, it's back to school is coming, the holidays is coming, Black Friday is coming. A lot of things are coming, you guys. So comment down below, what are you guys interested in? Because I love giving back to my subscribers, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
So Somali, so Somali.